Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the uses of computers in some more places. First one is shop. In shop, computers are using for billing and also to store details of the items. When we go to a shop, after our purchase, we go to bill counter and the person sitting in the bill counter type the item details and generate bill, right? We get a printed bill. So this is possible only using computers. So computers are used for billing and then to store details of the items. All the details of the items available in the shops are recorded in a computer. So what are the uses of computers in shops? In shops, computers are used for billing and then to store details of items. Next is uses of computer in airports and railway stations. Mainly in airports and railway stations, computers are used for online reservation, online ticket reservation, and then to monitor the arrival and departure of trains and aeroplanes. In airports and railway stations, we have a computerized control system, and using these computers, we control the arrival and departure of aeroplanes and trains. And also, we use computers for ticket printing and online reservation. So what are the uses of computers in airports and railway stations? In airports and railway stations, computers are used for ticket printing and for online reservation and also monitor arrival and departure of aeroplanes and trains. Next is use of computer in offices. Mainly in offices, computers are used to record their official works and then to send and receive mails. And next is designing. See, in entertainment industry or in films or in television shows, we use computer graphics. And using these softwares, we can include artificial things. See, you all are familiar with the movies like Bahubali, Ice Age, Lion King, Jurassic Park. Okay, in all these films, and also you all are familiar with the cartoon channels like Cartoon Network, Pogo, Kuchi TV. Okay, in all these channels, you can see different movies or shows, and all these shows are designed using computers. Okay, so in film industry or in designing, we use computers. And next is uses of computers in banks. In banks, computers are used to handle accounts. They maintain records of balance of each customer, balance amount available in each account, and also withdrawal details, and also deposit details. Okay, and they send messages to the customer through computer. So all these things are done with the help of computers in banks. And you all are familiar with ATM machine. Okay, using ATM machines, we can withdraw money without going to the bank. So in banks, computers are used to handle accounts. Computers are used to handle accounts. Next is types of computer. What are the different types of computer? Laptop, desktop, palm top. Laptop, desktop, palm top. Desktop computers are heavy. It needs some space. We need a table or we need a small area to occupy desktop computers. It has separate CPU, separate keyboard, separate mouse. All these things are available. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, all are separate. And we need a table or we need some space to occupy or some space to keep this device. And it is not portable. If we are going from our home to some other place, we cannot carry. We can carry, but it is not easy. Understand? So we have some other type of computer called laptop computers. You all are familiar with laptops, right? Your parents are having, sometimes your parents are having laptop and your father or mother do their work using laptop, right? So laptop computers are very light in weight. We can carry wherever we go. It is like a small briefcase. Okay, it is light in weight and we can carry wherever we go. Understand? Another computer smaller than laptop, that is palm top. See, it is very small, fit in our palm. We can keep the palm top in our palm. And it has a small keyboard and also small screen. So these are the different types of computers. What are the different types of computers? Desktop computer, laptop computer and palm tops. So what all things we have learned today? First we have discussed uses of computer in shops. In shops, computers are used to store the details of items and also for billing. And next, in airports and railway station, computers are used for online reservation, for ticket printing, and also to monitor the arrival and departure of aeroplanes and trains. And next, office. In office, we use computer to keep records and also to send and receive mails. And third one, film industry. In designing we use computers for giving special effects. Okay, and next is uses of computer in banks. In banks, computers are used to handle accounts. And then we discuss different types of computer. What are the different types of computer? Laptop, desktop and palm top. Okay, desktop computer is very heavy and it is not portable. Portable means what? We cannot move it from one place to another. It is heavy, it has separate monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. And laptop is lighter than desktop computer. It is like a briefcase. We can carry wherever we go. And it is light in weight. And then palm top. Palm top is very small compared to desktop and laptop. Okay, it fit in our palm. Okay, it has a small keyboard and monitor. Okay, children, you read the text. And next is online shopping. What is online shopping? Nowadays, we all are using online shopping because due to Corona, we cannot go out. So we purchase items like we purchase groceries as well as any other items using our computer, using online shopping. So what is online shopping? Online shopping means purchasing things using computer from home. Okay, purchasing things using computer from home is called online shopping. That is the use of an computer. Another use of computer. Understand? And I have a note. See, today I include the notes in the slide itself and put today's date, and you have to write two questions. First one, what is computer? Computer is an electronic machine. And then write any 4 places where computers are used. What are the different places where we use computers? You can write any 4 places like school, shop, office, bank, airport, railway station, then home, any 4 places where we use computers. Copy this note to your notebook. Thank you so much.